So in this example, we are given a function. So here we have function, the name of the function is f. And then we are given another function, and the name of this function is g. Okay, they look different. Now, and what do we need to do with all these functions? So then they are giving us this very strange looking description. So what does that description mean? So normally we have g, and then in the bracket beside g, we have x. But they are saying, no. You shouldn't just have x in place of x. What I want you to have is function f inside, or not inside, instead of x. So basically they are telling us here where we have x, we should replace that with our f function. So that's what we're going to do. So that means that will be, instead of x, we are putting our f function, which is x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 5, and then plus 11. Now, the only really thing that we can do here is add these two numbers. Isn't it? We can put them in the calculator and we can add them. So our function g, when we replace x with function f, we're going to get x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2. And like I said, we put in the calculator minus 5 plus 11, and we get plus 6. And there it is. That's all what we have to do. So it's not that difficult if we can understand what they said to us. So basically, understanding maths emoji.